Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm so excited because I found a converse in my house which is very rare because I didn't think that I have converse. So but I found this converse. This is old as fuck and kind of stink, but I still wanna wear it. So I decided to customize and clean this shit. So I already sketched that I want my converse to be. This is the converse will be my converse will be some cheaters print with a little converse. And the best part is I'm gonna cut off the back of us of my converse, and I'm just cause summer is gonna be soon. Well, summer is already here. It's hot today, but I don't like wearing sneaker. Who's gonna wear sneaker in the summer, right? So I'm just gonna cut this part, and my converse won't be sneaker anymore. Converse will be slipper. Let's do it. Let's do it. Done customing my shoes. Due to coronavirus, I'm just wearing mask. So here's the final look. Okay, I'm gonna just take off the shoes. It's actually pretty, and then it matches my clothes. This one and this one. I hope you guys enjoy my videos and hope see you soon. Bye. Bye. 10 push-ups. Stay with me.